2023 GR86 manufacture date 10/23. Late build date 23 means there shouldn't be any RTV in the oil strainer, right? Why don't we find out? So the owner plans this as a track-only car. Along with the oil strainer cleaning, we also installed the Jackson Racing oil cooler and the Sims oil pan baffle. But that's not why you guys are here. Why don't we see what that oil strainer looks like? All right, surprise, surprise. I was surprised. Looks like a gigantic lump of poop inside the oil strainer. But that's not all. Let's see what we pulled out. So there was a few smaller chunks I lost during the oil strainer cleaning. We were a little bit pressed for time for this one. But we have a few familiar friends, especially this guy, the piece that looks like Arbok from Pokemon. So this Arbok from Pokemon RTV piece brought up a good question for me. And that question was the importance of making these RTV videos. We've seen this exact shape of RTV multiple times when we do the oil strainer cleaning for customers. And what I would hope is that the manufacturer could see this shape of this piece and say like, oh, you know, this is a dark gray piece in this shape. When this part of the engine is RTV'd and assembled, this is the exact shape that came out. And I would hope that the manufacturer would see this and be like, you know, let's just say the cam carrier. The cam carrier on this corner needs the RTV applied in a different manner so that this gigantic piece that looks like a Pokemon does not end up inside the oil strainer or stuck in one of the oil passages or stuck inside one of the internal engine filters. So again, the importance of these videos, trying to find patterns. Obviously, this piece of RTV is a pattern repeat failure. Let's see if the manufacturer does anything about this. Unfortunately, probably not.